Ahoy!
Ahoy, Questers! Welcome to Virgin Voyages, where the cruise is adult only, the vibes are turned all the way up, and yes, we're sailing out of Miami on Brilliant Lady for the MerMaiden Voyage.
Good morning. Today is Friday, and today is Embarkation Day. We are on our way to drop off our luggage. I'll drop this off, and then probably just gonna drive around a little bit more, explore some more of Hawaii, of Miami, and then I think we can board at like 1:00. So yeah, we'll bring you along for that whole process.
All right, Questers, it's time to board. If you've never sailed with Virgin Voyages before, the terminal experience already feels different. The vibe is calmer, the check-in process was really fast, but that could be because we were rock stars on this one as our first sailing. As we said in the opener, you can check in your luggage early and come back to board. So we actually checked in around 9 a.m., dropped off our luggage, explored Miami a bit, then dropped off our rental car, and then just took an Uber back to the cruise terminal. So that's why you see us here going straight to security. As rock stars, we followed the signs for the rock star check-in and then headed into the Embarkation Lounge to wait for boarding, which wasn't very long at all. Here they had complimentary water, juice, and coffee. And once those boarding doors opened, it was officially go time. Hi.
Yes, right this way.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Thank you. Thank you. You gotta admit, that first step on board never gets old, does it? Since we booked the suite, we're considered rock stars on this sailing, and Virgin makes you feel it immediately. They welcome you right into the rock star seating area, hand you champagne, and you basically just sit back and let vacation begin. Cheers. After that, we headed up to our suite. It was on deck 12. And can we talk about this elevator? It's dark, moody, mirrored, and the back wall is basically an LED information screen telling you what's happening on board, not your average elevator at all. Here is a quick peek at our suite. We're not doing the full room tour in this video, but if you want the full breakdown, the layout, bathroom, balcony, all of it, we've got a full suite tour on the channel. After settling in, it was time for the most important Embarkation Day activity, food. We grabbed pizza from the pizza place. It's quick, it's casual, and yes, it was delicious. Next up, one of the best rockstar perks on Virgin Voyages, Richard's Rooftop. This is an exclusive rooftop lounge only for suite guests, and it's seriously such a chill escape. You've got loungers, jacuzzis, a bar, and all kinds of unique seating up here, and it just feels elevated. They even have board games you can grab and play in these common areas. And then we found the arcade, which is hilarious because this is an adults-only cruise, but clearly the whole point is that adults get to be kids too. Next, we made our way out to the pool deck, and I really like the layout of this ship. There's the main pool on one side, then the aquatic club bar right in the middle, and another smaller pool on the other side. So you can literally walk up and grab a drink from either side, which is honestly kind of genius.
Ahoy, sailors! Oh, that was nice. In a few minutes, we're going to make a toast to all you naughty, naughty sailors. So grab some bubbles, soak in it, get to know your happenings cast as we prepare to set sail the Virgin Way! Cheers, darling. Look at you. We're just pouring over. Put that open.
We made our way to the upper deck to see what was happening. We found a spot at the railing to enjoy the sail away. On the other side near the pool deck, people were still spread out in the water and loungers, clearly enjoying themselves. The atmosphere was still lively, with guests laughing, swimming, and soaking up the moment. We walked around a bit more and then got ready to go to dinner. For dinner, we ate at The Wake, and this restaurant is one of Virgin Voyage's most iconic spots. So when reservations open up for the restaurants, make sure you book as soon as you can because they do fill up quick. It has that classic upscale steakhouse vibe. As a starter, Chris got the clam chowder. We got bread for the table, and then it was on to the entrees. Chris got a steak with a side of asparagus, a side of cream spinach, and a side of mushrooms. And I got the shrimp and grits. Chris really liked his meal, but I did not like those shrimp and grits. And after dinner, we were officially ready for the next part of the night. Because if you've heard anything about Virgin Voyages, you've probably heard about the parties. And tonight was the pajama party. So we went back to the room, changed into our pajamas, and got ready to join the chaos. All right, Questers, that's going to wrap up Embarkation Day on Virgin Voyages Brilliant Lady. If you've enjoyed sailing with us, give this video a like. And if you want more, subscribe to the channel. Until the next quest.